Hi guys, and welcome back to Pianoly. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly elevate your piano playing, and that is rhythm patterns. Whether you're singing, playing in a band, dreaming of playing in church, these patterns are really going to help you sound way better. Even if you're a total beginner and you know how to play these rhythm patterns, it's going to make you seem like a pro. So let's get into it. And by the way, yes, I have new lighting and now I have a microphone. Let me know what you think about it. All right, to learn these rhythm patterns, I'm going to use a very popular song, No Woman, No Cry, and I'm going to show you how these rhythm patterns can really transform how the song sounds. You can use these rhythm patterns with any chord progression, but this is just my song that I'm going to use as an example. All right, the chord progression to this song is C, G/B. So what that means is we're going to play a G major chord in our right hand with a B in our left hand. A minor, C major, F major, C major. We're just playing the chorus, so those are the only chords we're going to go over today. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. So all I'm really doing here is playing on the beat. I played twice on each chord. So it's just simple and to the point. And that's a really great way to start. If you don't know any chords at all, I would definitely start with just the basic beats. Another thing you might be wondering is like, what do you do with your left hand on all these rhythm patterns? So let's talk about that. So what you can do is, if you're playing a C major chord, for example, in your left hand, you're going to play either one note C, or you can do what we have called an octave. An octave is basically C to C, 8 notes apart. So then, when I'm playing G/B, I need to play B in my left hand in that case, so I'm going to play B. A minor, I've got A here. F major, I'm going to play F, and so on. And so that's what I would do for all of these rhythm patterns. Number 2, now we're going to make it a little bit more interesting and we're going to break up the chords. So I'm going to call this broken chords. And so this is what I mean. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. So all I did there was I played the top 2 notes of C major and then I tossed to the root or the bottom of the chord. So I'm going top 2 notes, bottom note, top 2 notes, bottom note, and I'm just tossing down like this. Then to G major/B. All right, so watch that whole thing with hands together. All right, number 3 is going to be descending arpeggios. I know you guys like arpeggios, so let's do it. What is an arpeggio? It's basically a chord that's broken up. So this is C major. An arpeggio is, these are the notes of the C major chord, but I'm just breaking it apart like this. Okay, so for this song, I'm going to play in a fun arpeggiated rhythm like this. All right, so what I did was that rhythm, then I just moved to the next chord, A minor, F major. So watch it, hands together. All right, so that's another way, another awesome rhythm pattern that you could use. And notice how they all sound really different and kind of make the song sound different and gives a different kind of flair to it. Before I get to the next patterns, let me know in the comments how you plan to use them. Do you plan to sing, play in a band, play at church? What do you plan to do? Let me know. All right, number 4 is going to be called Tossing Between Hands. And this is what I mean. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. So if I slow that down, what I'm doing is I'm tossing between my hands. So I go together, right, left. And then I'm going to move to the next chord. Together, right, left, together, right, left, together, right, left. All right, so watch that all together now. All right, number 5 is a fun left hand arpeggio. I think this one is really nice if you want to make a song sound really slow and pretty. So for example, if I did it with this song, it would sound like this. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. So all I'm doing here is I'm playing my octave, but I'm putting, remember that 5th in the middle. So if I start C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5th is G. Then if I play the G chord, I'm not going to worry about the slash in this case. I'm just going to play a regular G chord. For this example, I'm going to go G octave, D is the 5th. So then C to G would sound like this. Then if I go to A minor, find the 5th in the middle, F major, C major, F major, C major. So listen to that both hands. So what's really cool about rhythm patterns is you can really change the feel of the song and make so many cool different covers of so many different songs. Definitely let me know what you try out. I've learned hundreds of people learn so many different rhythm patterns when they're playing the piano, from the point where they were nothing, they played no songs, total beginners, to playing live on a stage and singing. That's one of my students who went from 0 to playing her favorite songs in my program, the Piano Accelerator. And kudos to her for playing live. So don't let your age or your fear of playing the piano stop you. If you want more help on how to learn the piano, I specialize in teaching adult students, and I help them go from 0 to playing their favorite songs in months instead of years. No kiddie songs involved. I help people remove the struggle of music theory and children's songs and just get straight to the point of how to learn your favorite songs on the piano. If you want my unlimited feedback on your playing or any questions you have, and my roadmap that takes you from 0 to playing your favorite songs in months, not years, I highly recommend booking a free consultation with my team to learn more about my program, the Piano Accelerator. And before you go, if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.